Alright guys, so this is a video on how to do the triangle dance. In this dance there are 3 positions: position A, position B, and position C. Each person is responsible for repeating a specific pattern in sync with the group. Position A is doing a middle left right pattern, position B is doing a right middle left pattern, and position C is doing a left right middle pattern. So if you break it down, even if you don't have spots like we do in this demo video, you can kind of visualize where left's going to be, middle, and then right, and then that yellow spot represents kind of the home base where you're starting. So position A, jump middle, back, left, back, right, back, and then repeat. Middle, left, right. Position B, you're just repeating a different pattern over and over. Right, middle, left. Over it again, right, middle, left, and then position C is going left, right, middle, always making sure to reset back on the back onto the back spot before jumping on to the next position. If you assign each of the 3 people a position, position A, position B, and position C, and have them practice their pattern over and over and over before you even try it together as a group of 3, you'll be way more successful.